Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I always hated the laugh of the dog when I fucked up the game. With a little older head, I feel that the time has come to give back all the joy that this little crap dog gave me when I was younger. The program works as follows. I take a photo of a certain area of the game, which I pass to an image classifier library. The library tells you what objects it recognizes in the image. It places these objects in a rectangle and returns their coordinates. With these coordinates, I can tell my computer where to click, where to find the bird. This solution works probably for all possible versions of the game. Let's look at the little detail of my program. I wrote the script in Python and it takes screenshot 10 fucking times per second. If the detection library has found any object in the image, you can see it in the terminal. As soon as I find a match, I will send the cursor up there to take down those ducks. Of course, sometimes the position of the cursor is inaccurate, which I could improve with a stronger hardware.